It's just incredibly inspirational to hear the patients and their stories. It puts a face to the disease.
When I came to patient day and I saw the lab, seeing the work that they're doing, I physically could see with my eyes the data. I felt like the dangling carrot of hope motivate me.
I'm very excited to tour the lab and learn about the science that ML Bio is working on and see that it's happening behind the scenes, and also to meet with the scientists. The patients are so grateful and thankful for the hard work that they do.
I drove away proud and hopeful, and I felt like a purpose in the pain that I've experienced, or sharing my cells has contributed to this miracle, really.
It's so interesting to me how you can read about a disease in the literature and you can talk to physicians who treat patients, but then talking to patients, it allows you to imagine in a small way what it's like to be in their shoes, and just hearing about the everyday activities that they struggle with. It adds this layer of humanity that you really can't get from any other source.
Seeing patients, seeing what we're actually trying to accomplish and how it has real-world application, real-world importance, and affecting human lives, it's awesome.
I feel like it's a huge privilege, and there's a responsibility involved in this opportunity to speak with drug developers who have the tools to change the trajectory of this progressive disease.
If you know the people that you're trying to help at the end of that long path, it gives you that added motivation and drive to overcome those obstacles along the way.
Understanding the disease from a patient's perspective totally has changed the way we do drug development.
For me, having the opportunity to show patients firsthand some of that science behind the scene is really immensely helpful in building and accelerating and strengthening the communication between patients, the broader patient community, patient advocates, physicians, scientists, and ultimately industry.
However slow science moves, this is moving in a direction that is going to change this disease for, the future people who are getting it, and hopefully those of us who have it now.
It really hit me, them talking about losing aspects of their lives that made them independent. And I think just things that they struggle with and they have to have help with just really struck me and made me see this disease from a totally different angle.
We will never understand enough of their frustrations and the pain they experience. Every time I think about it, honestly, life becomes meaningful,